Hi everyone, welcome to Market Grow Money. I'm Sashi. In this video, we are going to discuss about leverage and how to use this leverage in forex efficiently. In simple terms, leverage is a margin amount borrowed from the broker to trade apart from your fund balance, and it is a multiplier for your account balance. For example, your account balance holds 100 US dollars and having 2000 times leverage, then 2 lakh US dollars you will get as your margin amount to trade. Even if you don't have this leverage, with just 100 US dollars as account balance, you can still trade but with only a nano lot. But now, with the help of the leverage option, your margin amount will turn to 2 lakh US dollars. So, you are eligible to trade in larger positions in a currency. That is actually more than a standard lot. In this way, leverage increases our option to trade more than our actual balance. That is why stock traders will call this trading on margin. To use this, if you have an account and your broker offers margin, that's it, you are good to go. Can trade on it. In forex, most brokers provide more than 100 times leverage. Some brokers provide more leverage like 2000 times or even 3000 times. If you compare with stock market, there is only 6 times leverage for intraday in Indian stock market. Sounds good, right? I hope now you are so excited to take a trade in forex. But please hold on. I had listed only the advantages of leverage. The apparent advantage of using leverage is that you can make a considerable amount of money with only a limited amount of capital. The problem is that you can also lose a considerable amount of money trading with leverage. That's why we can define it as a double edged sharp knife because it's a more powerful tool to destroy your account in fraction of seconds. It all depends on how wisely you use it and how conservative your risk management is. See why leverage is risky. Since leverage is only a broker's weapon to make you trade more in lot size than your actual balance. For example, if you trade one standard lot with 1000 US dollars as your actual balance and you are using 200 times leverage, even if you lose 1% of your standard lot, which is 1000 units of that base currency, you may almost happen to lose your entire actual account balance. I hope now you understand why most people fail in forex trading. If we make an analysis on that, 75% of them would have used high leverage without knowing its risk. Now, you might think of not using the leverage in your trading, but actually you don't have to, because without the concept leverage, you can't make enough profit in forex. Think you have only 1000 US dollars in your account, not taking any leverage, then you can trade only one or less than a micro lot, which will yield a very less profit or loss. So, coming to the point, we can use leverage with proper knowledge to avoid any unwanted risk to the account. All the disadvantages of high leverage I told you above is totally related to the psychology of a trader and violation of his money management rules, which is why it is so important to work on your trading strategy and discipline in trading. In my experience, I'll use only 10 to 20 times leverage, even though my broker offers 2000 times leverage, so that I can make a decent profit if the trade goes well. Else, I'll exit with a decent stop loss, which will not definitely going to affect my trading account. So, I would advise you, if you are new to forex, the ideal start would be to use 1 is to 10 leverage and 10,000 US dollars balance. So, the best leverage for a beginner is definitely not higher than the ratio from 1 to 10. Even though you chose a broker with high leverage, use only 10 to 20 times leverage. Then the high leverage will not be a problem and will not lead to losing your deposit. I hope this video is useful to you to understand the partial concept of leverage. Kindly give your likes and subscribe my channel. Keep watching.